Hey, what's up guys? Yavar Khan back again. So I'm making a video after a really long time, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with generic ads. So basically generic ads are like how to lose weight fast in 1 week. So these kind of ads. So in this video I'm going to explain you all of that. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of YouTube videos about affiliate marketing, how to make money online. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So first things first, guys. So as you could see on my screen right now, this is my clickbank, and this is just a demo account which I did for YouTube. But anyways, the product which we were promoting was, let's say for example, we are promoting this product called Cara Vita. Okay, so this is the product. Okay, so when you go on clickbank, okay, where did it go? Yeah, so this is the product. The gravity is 60. So I was promoting it 1 to 2 months back. Again, people who don't know what's that, it helps you cure your toenail fungus. Okay, so again, this is the product. So now the next step which I did was again, first is just doing keyword research. Everything is easy. Just go on Google Keyword Planner or Microsoft Keyword Planner. Just go over here, Keyword Planner. Okay, or even over here, if you go over here, you can find all the keywords over here. Even on Bing or even on Google, you can find that. That's the first thing. Okay, so the second thing is I'll show you my landing page right now. So this is my landing page. I'm not going to show you my URL because currently which I'm using it right now, but this is my landing page right now. Are you making any of these 7 toenail fungus mistakes? I click over here. Again, it goes to my hop link. Okay, so this is how it is. I'm not going to show you the ad copy. The reason for that is I'm going to add those ad copies, how to write the ad copies in my course. Okay, I'm just gonna show you an overall picture to get an idea about it. So this is my Click Magic account, right? So again, I did a lot of testing and everything. So one of the examples which I could show you is this one. So again, these are converting for me: white toenail fungus, again as vinegar or fungal nail infection. So these were the keywords which were converting initially. Again, it's always about testing and then finding the correct group and optimizing it. With this I made a good amount of money. I can show you the ad groups as well. So this is my ad group right now. Okay, so literally first thing was I ran 2 ads. One was phrase match, short keywords. Again, ran for around $300. Then I saw that some of the keywords were getting clicks and they were getting engaged. I paused both of these. Then I created an engage ad group, and then once I did engaged, I did toenail winning. So this one was making me a lot of money. Same thing with Google ads as well. So again, till now I'm running on Google ads as well. I'm making much more money. Bing ad was not that profitable for me. I keep an ROI of 100%, which means if I spend $100, I will get $100. So over here I spent $800, I got $1,000. But I knew that this campaign is not working over here, but it's working on Google ads. So it's very simple, guys, and literally no one would show you. This is like 2 months back. I made the same way I made money on Glucotrust, Dentitox, Lean Belly Juice, T-Burn. So literally I've tried all the offers and it's working for me. So this is just my demo account which I'm making $100 passively. Literally no one shows you all of these things. This is currently my ClickBank right now. I'm just making money on autopilot. I work only on weekends, and I think so going forward by next week I'll update my course. I'll add videos on how to write ad copy, how to do keyword research, how to do ads research, again making your swipe file, and you can start making money with all of these things. It's very simple, guys. So again, someone would buy it, and literally trust me, this was the page where there was no video as well, so people were buying it. I added the video on Google ads and I started making more money. So just all about tweaking. I had 2 landing pages, then I had 3 landing pages, and then again I tried different stuff, and then I came up to this thing. So this is how it shows, the amount you can spend and then start making money and start making your campaign profitable. So I think so I'll just keep it short. I don't want to give it more. I'll give everything in my course because I want to do justice with people who have paid me the money. So I'll show all the step by step on how I set the campaigns, how I set the keywords on my course down below. And I think so I'm going to update my course as well, so the prices are going to go up. I don't have much time right now, but next week I'll start updating the course, I think so. That's it. I hope you really, the video is really informative, and I think you get an idea on how things work. And I think so that's it, guys. Yavar Khan signing off, and if you have any questions, do let me know, and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. So see you guys. Yavar Khan signing off.